centuries later,
By the 1940s, the cinema advert was becoming really spectacular.
Beautiful serial the world has
This
ever
ad
known,
for Brown and
Indian
Polson
corn.
was photographed in
Described how he had
Technicolor
seen maize
by
fields
Britain's
over 18
leading
miles in
colour
length,
cameraman,
and his
Jack
enthusiasm
Cardiff.
for the rich crop was unbounded.
It uses elaborate sets,
Later,
left
the
over
great
in fact
naturalist,
from
Francisco
feature film,
Hernandez,
and it was shot
discovered
in a
maize.
major studio.
To his friends, he tried to convey
It has a
something of the
voiceover
appearance and
by the
sensibility.
well-known actor Finlay Currie.
Today, the great factory where Brown and Polson's cornflour is made bears witness to the success of John Polson's discovery. In this modern and hygienic factory, the cornflour passes from the manufacturing process to the packeting stage without being touched by human hands. And the familiar yellow packets emerge, ready to make their way to all corners of the earth. From the Norseman to Columbus, from Fernandez to Linnaeus, from John Polson to the present day, this is the story of maize, king of cereals, known in its purest form as Brown and Polson's cornflour, and used by good cooks for 100 years.